All right, welcome back. We are now on level 3, and this is where it's going to get very interesting because you get to choose. So the zoo has asked you to decide the label for one of their models. You can use any label in the data set, then find features that will create an accurate model for your data. For example, you could create a model to tell whether an animal is domesticated or lays eggs or is aquatic. So whatever your label is going to be, you're going to type here. You're going to find the features that match that label. You have to be at least 70% accurate, just like on the other two levels. And this time, you are going to figure out what the intended use for this is and whatever limitations and warnings might happen. All right? Could you copy from above? Absolutely. But you are now going to do level 3. So again, predict whatever it is you want the category to be, and then you're going to pick the features, and then you're going to make the model card. So with that, I will see you on level 4. Good luck.